Hello and welcome to this ASUS unboxing video. My name's Tom and I'm here today with the ASUS NovaGo, the always on and always connected 2-in-1. So let's not waste any time and take a look inside the box. So the first thing out of the box is the NovaGo itself with its shiny silver ASUS logo and sleek matte finish. So if I go ahead and turn the NovaGo over, you'll be able to see it has a micro SD and combo nano SIM slot here, which not only allows you to put your SD cards in, but also your SIM cards as well. And just continuing on, we also have a HDMI port here, an audio jack, power controls, and the power switch. And if I go ahead and turn the NovaGo over to the other side, you'll be able to see we have our DC in power input here, and we have two USB 3.1 ports as well. Okay, so without any further ado, let's open up the NovaGo. So opening it up into this laptop mode, we can use the keyboard, the touchpad, the fingerprint sensor, but we can also still use the touchscreen. And being a 2-in-1, the NovaGo very easily flips around into tablet mode, where the keyboard and the touchpad deactivate on the backside, but we can use the touchscreen. Ultimately, the instant on and fast resume feature of the NovaGo is really useful and adds to its versatility, as you can take it out at any time and get back to what you were doing. And just getting back to the unboxing, in this small packet here we have the pin to open the SIM card slot on the side of the NovaGo, as well as our traditional ASUS charger. And just on the topic of batteries, the NovaGo is built on Qualcomm's most power-efficient architecture to date, which means you get a whopping 22 hours of video playback and over 30 days of modern standby on a single charge. Coupled with the fact that the NovaGo can get up to 5 hours of battery life after a 15-minute charge, leaving your charger at home will never be a worry. Now, another thing that sets the NovaGo apart from any competition is that it's the world's first Gigabit Lte laptop. By utilising Qualcomm's technology, the NovaGo can reach download speeds of up to 1 gigabit per second. That's 3 to 7 times faster than the average broadband speeds. Now, even though the NovaGo packs an extremely long battery life and lightning fast connectivity, it only weighs 1.39 kilograms and is only 14.9 millimeters thin, giving you a sleek, lightweight package that won't weigh you down. And that's about it for this unboxing video. Thank you very much for joining us here at ASUS.